Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video to explain something that should never be done to the car engine. Let's see. What you see there is the engine oil drain screw. The owner, he bought a battery impact wrench for this car to loosen the wheel bolts, and he had the idea of using that wrench first to remove this bolt to drain the oil from the crankcase, but after has used the same wrench to tighten the screw. What is the consequence? Well, there you see it. There you see that the crankcase has broken because these keys have a very high tightening torque, and in this screw, the tightening torque is much lower. You always have to respect the tightening torques, and as I say, never use an impact wrench to tighten the crankcase screw. Okay, well, here you have this short video. If it has been useful to you, so don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.